What if a simple knob could rotate a servo motor? Today, we are building a servo controller using Arduino Uno. In this project, a potentiometer controls the servo motor through Arduino. Turn the knob and the servo follows. Components: Arduino Uno, servo motor, potentiometer, breadboard, two capacitor to smooth out the voltage fluctuation, some male header pins, some jumper wires. So these are the components we need to build this project. Now let's see the working of this. Potentiometer acts like a variable resistor. When we rotate it, the voltage changes. Arduino reads these changes voltages using analog read. Then Arduino converts those values into servo angles. Let's build the circuit. So we take this male header pin to our servo female connector. We will put this male header pins into the female connector to connect it to the breadboard. Servo has 3 wires. The red wire will connect to 5 volt, the black wire will connect to ground, and the white wire will connect to pin number 9. Now let's connect the wires. Now we connect a 100 UF 25 volt capacitor to remove the voltage fluctuation. Now let's connect the potentiometer. Now let's connect the potentiometer to A0 pin. Have a look on the circuit. Now let's see how it works. When you rotate the potentiometer, resistance change, voltage change. Arduino reads those values and the servo rotate accordingly. Now let's connect our board to our computer. This line #include is used to add a library into the program. The symbol hash tells the Arduino to process this before compiling the code. Servo.h is the servo motor library which contains ready-made servo functions. In this line, servo is the servo motor type from the servo library. My library is the object name. You can name it anything: servo motor, servo 1. This object lets you control the servo motor later. Now let's move on to the next line. INT means integer, which stores the whole numbers. Port pin is a variable name. Equals to means assigning a value. A0 means analog pin 0. So this line stores analog pin A0 inside the variable named port pin. This line creates a variable named port value. This stores the value coming from potentiometer. Internally, it is set to 0. This line creates another integer value named angle. This stores the servo angle. This line means void means this function does not return anything. Setup is a special Arduino function. It runs only one time when Arduino powers on or reset button is pressed. In this line, attached connects the servo object to a pin. Here's the servo signal wire is connected to pin number 9. After this, Arduino can control the servo motor. In this line, loop is another special Arduino function. After setup finish, Arduino keeps running loop again and again forever. In this line, analog read reads the voltage value from the potentiometer. The value ranges from 0 to 1023. The value gets stored inside port value. In this line, map converts one range into another range. In this line, map converts one range into another range. This is the format. Here's it converts potentiometer value from 0 to 1023 into servo angles 0 to 179 degrees. In this line, write sends the angle value to the servo motor. The servo rotates to that angle. In this line, delay pauses the program. 15 means 15 milliseconds. This small delay helps the servo motor move smoothly. Now before uploading, let's verify our code. It is compiling. Now let's wait. It is done compiling. Now let's upload the code. Now we are done uploading the code. Now let's test it. Now when I rotate the potentiometer, the servo motor follows the movement smoothly. What we learned in this project, we learned analog read, servo motor control, potentiometers, map function and angle control. Next time, we will build a light Bearman using Arduino. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you there.